Hello everyone. This is in continuation to our solving of December 2024 question paper of Business Mathematics and Statistics of CMA Foundation. This is part 7. Question number 34. Find the correlation coefficient of the following pair of variables. So some 4 pairs of data is being given. We have to find out the correlation. So I made a table here where we will key in the data -3. And here it is -1, then +1, +3. Y values are 9, 1, 1, and 9. So we have now x into y, which is -27. This is -1, this is 1, and this is 27. Here x square, so -3 square is 9, this is 1, this is 1, this is 9. This is 81, 1, 1, and 81. So the totals, here it is 0, here it is 20. Here if we add, this is 0, this is 20, and this is 164. Now the formula for this is R is equal to n summation xy minus sum x sum y, whole thing divided by square root of n sum x square minus sum x the whole square multiplied by n sum y square minus sum y the whole square. Here we have 4 pairs of data. Sum xy is 0, sum x is 0, sum y is 20. So the numerator is becoming already 0. I'm not expanding in the denominator. Numerator is 0, so the correlation coefficient will be 0. So that is our option A. Let us move on to the next. If summation d square is 33, n is 10, then its rank correlation coefficient is what? So rank correlation coefficient denoted by R suffix capital R is 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n into n square minus 1. Substituting the values now, 6 times 33 divided by 10 into 10 square, which is 100. 100 minus 1 is 99. So if we evaluate this, we will get 1 minus, this goes with this 3 times, and it is 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is 1 by 5. And 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is 0.8. So option is D. Let us move on to the next one. Which of the following statements is true? Value of both bivariate regression coefficient can be more than 1. This is false, because if one of the regression coefficient is more than 1, the other should be less than 1. If values of bivariate regression coefficients are negative, then the correlation coefficient is positive. This is also false. If both the regression coefficients are negative, then the correlation coefficient also should be negative. If the values of bivariate regression coefficients are positive, then the correlation coefficient is positive. This is correct. So option C. Will also check option D. Values of bivariate regression coefficients can be of opposite sign. This is false, because both should be of same sign. So this is 36th question. Let us move on to the next. If two regression lines of two variables x and y intersect at 4, 5 and byx is 2.5, then the value of y when x is equal to 6 is what? So the regression line y on x will be y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar, which means y bar is given as, when they say intersect at 4, 5, this is nothing but x bar, y bar, because it intersects at arithmetic mean, which means our y bar is 5 Byx value is given as 2.5. X value is given in the question as 6. X bar, it is 4. So this is 2.5 into 2, which is 5. So that means our Y value is 5 plus 5, and that will be 10. So option C is the right option. Then the next question. If the variables X and Y are independent, then the correlation coefficient between them, if they are independent, correlation coefficient will be 0, which means option B. Then let us move on to the next. If A, B, C are equally likely, mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, then P of A is equal to. If they are equally likely, then probabilities of all the events should be same. And since the question says that they are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, that means these are the only events in that experiment, which means totally 3. Therefore, the required probability is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is nothing but 0.33, which means our option, let me change this option style. Yeah, option D is the right option. Then question number 40, the probability that a candidate passes in accounts and economics are 0.5 and 0.6 respectively. So I will say probability of accounts passing is 0.5, which is given. Probability of economics passing is 0.6, which means probability of A complements means the failing will be again 1 minus of 0.5, 1 minus of 0.5, which will be 0.5. And then probability of failing in economics will be 1 minus of 0.6, that will be 0.4. What is the probability that the candidate passes only one of the two subjects? Means either passing and failing in the other one, or means union, failing in accounts and passing in economics. These two joint events are mutually exclusive, so we can rewrite this as probability of A intersection E complement plus probability of A complement intersection E. Now these two are, A and E complement are independent, so we can write this as probability of A into probability of E complement plus probability of A complement intersection, multiplied by probability of E, which is 0.5 times E complement is 0.4 plus A complement is 0.5 and E, probability of E is 0.6. In both, 0.5 is common, so we can add 0.4 plus 0.6, which will be 1. 1 into 0.5 will be 0.5. So the answer is option C. So we'll do further questions in our next video.